Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ram 2500. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed liner now. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.